Alright, so we're going to be installing the F90 mirror cap replacements. The three tools you're going to need here is going to be a T10 Torx bit on a driver, a skinny flathead screwdriver. I've wrapped it in masking tape to protect from scratching the casing and the mirror. And then optionally, just like a skinny trim tool. It kind of helps pry it away. Only three things you're going to need here for the install. And this is a look on the inside of the OEM mirror cap. I took off the passenger side just so you can see what I'm trying to get done inside there. These tabs here, they kind of sandwich down on the pinch. So as you're reaching in there with the flathead, all you're trying to do is pry them open and then apply back pressure, and it's going to be able to pull that right off, and it's going to pop right off. With the flathead in there, what I'm really just trying to do is pop it in and open up those tabs. Trying to open up those tabs with the back pressure, and it just pops right off.
Here is where the Torx bit is used to remove the side signal lamp from the mirror cap. I like to leave the lamp plugged in to avoid any connectivity issues that may occur down the road. Now, using the same screws removed from the original cap, I'm using it to replace the side marker lamp back into the new carbon fiber mirror cap.
Gonna want to line that up, make sure it's okay, and then check the top here is another point. Make sure that's lined up. That's step 2, and then step 3, you're just gonna push it in from the side here.